YouTube update on Frankenstein. Okay, the engine is in. I had some issues. I couldn't use the intake, the 5.4 intake, because it would hit against the hood. So I had to buy some adapters and use the intake I had on the 4.6. As you can see, it barely, yes, it barely cleared, because the spacer has like a 1-inch spacer, but it fit. The ducting fits. The only issue I have is I had to remove the headers, because I had to use the factory 4.6 manifolds, because as you can see here, I barely got a 1/4 inch between the manifold and the motor mount that's right under it. So I had to use my, luckily I didn't throw them away. I had to use the 4.6 exhaust manifolds. But everything else, bolts right in. This came off the truck. Outside of that, everything else came off the 2000. With the intake being the original intake from the 2003 Marquis that I wrecked. Can't start it up right now. I got no exhaust on it. So next video is going to be unboxings. I ordered a bunch of exhaust stuff. Once I get all the parts, I'm going to take it to the muffler shop and install them. This exhaust is going to be a little different though, and you'll find out in a few days. Until next video, I'll see you.